maximum payload of 42,000 pounds. It can carry 6 pallets of cargo, 74 litters. 16 CBS buses or container drops, 92 combat troops or 64 paratroopers on board today. 20 paratroopers in each of the Hercs. 2 Hercules being flown by Major Josh Emmy, call sign Saad, Captain Theodore Sayre, Major Ryan Hendrickson, Major Doug Caruca on board, as well as Technical Sergeant Jason Kingman and Tech Sergeant Josh Walker, Senior Airman Chelsea Searman. In the second airplane, Captain Jared Wall and First Lieutenant Nick Braft in the right seat, Captain Mike Guard on board, Captain Gabe Uribe, Master Sergeant Stacey Carlos, Staff Sergeant Everett Smith, and Master Sergeant Jason Allen. Get your cameras ready. We're going to fill the skies here with paratroopers from the United States Army, ladies and gentlemen. It's called a static line jump. You'll see those static lines being retained on board the aircraft after they leave the doors. Jump Master now has got everybody up, and everybody is ready to go. So stand by.
You can do a video again?
Yeah.
Once again, jumping today, the 4th Brigade, 25th Infantry Division Airborne from your United States Army. Now as they approach the edge of the airfield, stand by. You'll see the jumpers as they actually leave the aircraft from both doors. Here we go, the 4th Brigade, ladies and gentlemen, of the 25th Infantry Division. Parachutes there. They can hear you up there. How about putting your hands together for our Army jumpers today? Hey, what a sight. Filling the skies here with paratroopers.
UFO.
United States Army, ladies and gentlemen, and the 4th Brigade, 25th Infantry Division. Got 1 paratrooper left to go, and we've got everybody safely on the ground. How about that?